Tired of manually copying emails into Pipedrive? Connect your email in 2 minutes and never lose a message again. I know that feeling. You send a client an important update. Then you have to remember to go into Pipedrive, create a new activity, paste the text, attach the file. It takes forever. And if you forget, suddenly you're digging through your sent folder, trying to figure out what you actually said. Let's stop that. I'll walk you through connecting your email account to Pipedrive in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. All right, so first things first, we need to get into Pipedrive. Go ahead and log into your account. You're probably already there because that's where you live all day. Good. Now, look at the very top right corner of your screen. See your profile picture or your initials? Click on that. A little drop-down menu will pop up. From that menu, you're going to select Email Sync. It's right there in the settings section. Click it. This might take a moment to load. Pipedrive is pulling up the email sync page. Just give it a second. Once the page is fully loaded, you'll see an email address displayed. This is the email that Pipedrive thinks you want to connect. Take a quick look at it. Is it the right one? If you have multiple email accounts, make sure this is the one you want syncing with your sales data. All right, now find the Get Started button. It's usually a nice big button right there on the page. Go ahead and click it. A new window will pop up. This is the Email Connection Setup Wizard. It might take a couple of seconds to appear, so don't worry if it doesn't snap up immediately. Now, here's the part where you tell Pipedrive where your email lives. You'll see a list of popular email providers: Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, maybe some others. Click the one you use. If you use a custom domain with something like Google Workspace, just select Gmail. That covers custom domains too. Now you're going to sign in to that email account. If it's your work email, you might need to enter your full email address and password. And here's the really important part. Make sure you're signing into the account you want to sync, not your personal one. I've seen people accidentally connect their personal Gmail instead of their work email. It happens. After you sign in, you'll see a screen asking for permissions. Pipedrive needs permission to read your emails, send emails on your behalf, and access your contacts. This sounds like a lot, but trust me, this is standard for any email integration. Without these permissions, Pipedrive can't actually sync anything. Go ahead and click Allow to grant access. Now we wait. Pipedrive is doing the work in the background to connect everything. This could take anywhere from a few seconds to about 30 seconds, depending on how many emails you have. Don't close the window, just let it do its thing. Once the connection is successful, you'll see a screen showing your sync settings. This is where you decide how much of your email you want to bring into Pipedrive. You can sync emails from specific folders or everything. In my experience, syncing everything is usually the safest bet, so you never miss anything. But if you have a very high volume inbox, you might want to be more selective. If you made any changes here, look for a Save button or a Save configuration option. Click it. All right, we're almost done. Now go to your sales inbox inside Pipedrive. It's usually on the left-hand sidebar. Click it. This is the moment of truth. You should see your connected email account right there. Try sending yourself a quick test email. It should show up in the inbox here. And if you send an email from Pipedrive, it should go out from your connected address. That's how you know everything is working. And that's it. Your email account is now connected to Pipedrive. No more manual copying, no more digging through your sent folder, no more lost messages. Every email you send and receive is automatically tracked against the right contacts and deals. It saves so much time. And honestly, it makes you look incredibly professional to your clients when you can reference an email from 3 months ago without breaking a sweat. Give it a try and see the difference.